Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your browsing history on YouTube on your computer. YouTube, like most other platforms, keeps track of searches. This can be very useful when we want to watch something we have already watched. However, sometimes it can get in the way because someone who opens our account can have an insight into what we watched on YouTube. To avoid that, we can erase our history. First, we need to open YouTube on our computer. When we loaded YouTube, in the right menu we should find the History section. We click. The entire history of the clips we watched will open here. We can delete individual recordings from the history so that when we pass the thought over the video, an X symbol will appear that we click on. Or we can also clear the entire history by clicking on Clear All Watch History, which is located in the right menu. In the pop-up window, we select the Clear Watch History option. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.